by Kevin. Somewhere. Yeah, you get a marshmallow.
Wow, I think definitely it will kill some job opportunities in the middle class for sure. Right, I think like what AI does is that it makes like, for example, imagine every career there's like a pyramid of like people, right? I think what AI does is like it. Thank you. Wow, this is better than AI. It will cut off like mass-produced content. Okay, cannot do it. Yeah. So I think like in this area, I think there will be job destruction. But I think, of course, you know, when I think humans have a way of like inventing new jobs to kind of like not just solve problems, like they create new problems that they have to solve, right? Humans are very good at creating new problems, and I think like yes, there will be new jobs in the future. The question is like there will be a lag time in between like these new jobs are created, and in between this lag time like life has to go on, right? So yes, there will probably be some suffering for a while. When AI takes over a lot of these new jobs, takes over a lot of these old jobs, right? But I think as people who read books there, man, I hope like you stay in the top part of the pyramid as best as you can, so that the ride is smooth. And if you want to